welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you for my first drive in my BMW 340i, and I've been looking forward to record this video because it's been a long time coming. I've not had the chance. The weather's been rubbish, but anyway, we're back on it now. So here we are in my interior. You can see it's nice and brown. I'm feeling cozy. I'm ready for this nice smooth drive. I've got to do a few errands, but you know, this is the whole point of this video. As we're getting there, we're going to be recording this. But yeah, I'm just hoping you enjoy it because I've really enjoyed this car. I just can't believe how unbelievably fast it is. I mean, I'm doing 0 to 60 in God knows what speed, probably like, what, 4 seconds, 5 seconds? I don't know, I've not properly tried it, I'll be honest with you. But since owning it, I've noticed that, you know, it's obviously a lot more thirsty than expected, but I didn't buy it for that reason. I bought it purely because it's fun. I work closer to home now, so I don't need a diesel anymore. So therefore it just led me to think, well, I may as well buy petrol, I may as well own a petrol and just enjoy it really. But in terms of what I've done to it already, I'm not going to review too much because the development side of it hasn't yet been completed. I've not fully got what I wanted, but at the moment it's running a stage 2 plus, and that involves a K&N Panel Filter, which was only like £20. I've also fitted the Decat. Well, actually that actually came with the car when I bought it, so that's already been fitted. And also the high pressure fuel pump has been uprated to the B58TU. In case you're wondering what that is the Gen 2 model that you may find fitted on the B58, on the M340i or the Toyota Supra, and that basically increases the fuel pressure up to 1.5 bar, so I don't lose that power at the top end. So that was brilliant. I mean, that didn't cost much either. But yeah, it's all stage 2 plus ready. I took it to NV Motorsport. In case you're wondering where that is, that's in Oldbury, and they Mabs, the owner, wicked guy. He's so polite and friendly. You know, he would tell you what he wants, what I want from it, and what he expects to do for you. And his customer service level is up there. You know, better than other tuners that I've been to. I promise you that. So, you know, if you're interested, if you're wondering where it is, it's in Oldbury. I think it's unit 76 in Oldbury, in Percy Business Park. But well worth it if you have a German, you know, like this car. This car at the moment is producing 459, is it 459 or 449 brake horsepower? I think it's just over 621 Newton meters. Can't remember the figures, but I'll leave it down in the description below. At the moment it's had a few problems with the Vanos system. It's not major. We're going to rebook it back, get that sorted. It's basically the Vanos actuator. Inside you've got this magnetic ball, and that's basically disappeared. So, but aside that, at the moment she's still running great, 449 brake horsepower. So I'm more than pleased for that, with that for the time being for now. But yeah, let's just enjoy the ride and admire it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in sport mode. So I'm going to go in sport. Well, I won't go sport plus because the weather conditions is rubbish. I'm going to go sport on the transmission side. Oh yeah, I've also had the XHP stage 3 on the TCU on the transmission side, so that speeds up the gear changes. This makes everything a lot more faster, more aggressive. But well, when the roads are more safer, I will floor it. But yeah, we are in sports mode now, so right, here we go. I tell you what, this is a bloody scary car now. Oh, every time I drive this, my head goes back, my body goes back, and now that I'm in sport mode, it's so aggressive. I love it. I think it's brilliant engine. I think the car itself is also brilliant. BMW's engineering has always been amazing to me. I don't care about any of the brands, and I'm not interested in Mercedes, Audis, VWs. I purely like BMWs. It's just the way they design it, you know. And yeah, when this car popped up for sale, I just had to buy it. the amount of gadgets that it's got is unbelievable. I mean, just to give you an idea of what it's got that some cars don't have, is a head-up display. I've got heated steering wheel, heated seats. I've got this beige interior here. Well, sorry, is it beige or brown? It's like a tan leather, and that's quite rare. I've not seen a tan leather interior in a BMW before. In terms of what else it's got reversing camera that most cars do have, but I've also got the 2 side cameras in the bumpers. So when you come to a junction, at T-junction especially, you know, you want to make sure it's safe to pull out. So the 2 cameras in the bumpers, I mean, that technology has been around with BMW for a couple of years as far as I know. I remember seeing it in a BMW 7 Series. But yeah, when you come to a T-junction, you've got a camera facing the left and a camera facing the right of the T-junction, seeing there's any cars coming across, and if it's safe to do so, you pull out. It's also got this feature, I think it's pedestrian safety. When you get too close to a car, the light pops up and it flashes, basically saying you're too close to the car. But yeah, it's a 2017 Apple CarPlay that came from factory. It came with the smaller screen, but I've got that coded to a wider screen, so that just makes it, you know, you want to utilize it basically. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much now that you've heard my side of the story. I'm gonna let you enjoy the ride. So yeah, here it is. Just stop before we do the drive video. Got to show you the video in the car. Yeah, 340 as you expect. Needs a bit of a wash. Doesn't it look amazing? Oh, it's got bird poo in it already. Needs a wash. Just to remind you the inside what it looks like. You can see here, nice tan interior. Just looking gorgeous. Sport and sport in the transmission. Have fun, enjoy the video.